Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. Now, today I am going to start writing section, that is section B. So, very first, I am going to pick up the topic notice writing. Although you people have learnt about it in your previous classes, so the same thing is here. So, very first, have a look on its definition. What is notice writing and why we write it? A notice is a written or printed statement that gives information or a warning to people. Okay, we write the notice to give the information or to make any announcement. Okay, now the topics on which we write the notice. So, the topics for notice writing could be as follows. It can be a competition, a trip, a lost and found notice, an inauguration, an exhibition, a blood donation camp, or any such type of event or information to be issued in public interest. Now, the important contents that we have to cover, we have to remember while writing the notice. That is the very first, the name of the organization issuing the notice. At the top of the notice we write the issuing authority name. Okay, and after that the word notice in capital letters. Third point, the heading to introduce the subject. It should be catchy and it should be in bold letters. Number 4, the date of the notice. It should be in expanded form. Okay, now the body of the notice, or we can say the content. Okay, then at the last, the writer's sign, means the person who is writing the notice, his signature, name in capital letters, and designation will come. Now guys, while writing the body of the notice, you have to remember these 5 W's. Okay, means you have to cover this information while writing the content. Means what is going to happen, means that is the event, and where it will take place, means venue, when it will take place, that is the date and time, whom does it apply to, means eligibility, and whom to contact or apply to, means the contact persons. So while writing the body of the notice, you have to remember these points. Now see the format. Guys, a notice is always written within a box. Okay, and one thing more, very first we write the, as you can see in this format, very first the name of the institution, or we can say the name of the organization or issuing authority will come at the top. Then the word notice, left side the date in expanded form, date, month and year. Then heading, it should be catchy and in bold letters. Then body of the body of the notice, or we can say the content. Then signature, name and designation, it will come left side. Okay, so this is the format of the notice. Guys, you have to remember that you have to be in a limit, word limit. You should not exceed the word limit. Okay, if the 50 words limit is given in the question, so you should not exceed the limit. Okay, and a notice is written in a formal style, and words like I, we should be avoided. It is usually written in the third person. Okay, now see this example, so things will be more clear to you. You are the secretary of activities club in your school. The annual day program is to be held next month. Write a notice for the school display board in this reference. Now see the solutions, so you would be able to understand how to write. Very first we have written the name of the school. If it is given in the question, then all right, otherwise you can write the name of your school. After that we have written the word notice in capital letter, then date, and after that the heading. The heading should be related to the subject, as it is given in the question that the annual day program is to be held next month. That's why we have chosen here the heading annual day celebration. Now see how we have started. This is to inform all the students that the school annual day function will be held on. Now here 10th January 2019 is written over there. You can change the date and time according to the given information in the question. Alright. Then we have written the place at Dev Mall. Now other relevant details also you have to include. Means the information provided in a notice includes all the relevant details and nothing important is left out. Alright. So see, Ahmedabad's collector Dr. Vikrant Pandey will grace the occasion as chief guest. Every student needs to collect their passes from their respective class teachers. Now from the left side at the last, the signature of the person who is writing the notice and his name and the designation secretary, as it is given in the question. You are the secretary, that's why in the designation column we have written here secretary. Okay, so this is the example and I hope that things will be clear to you.